today I'm going to try cutting my hair. I have wavy hair. I used to have curly hair. The first thing you need is, it would help if you have a very wide teeth comb and a smaller one. So let's go by starting with the teeth comb, big teeth comb. I'm gonna brush it out. Make sure there are no knots. This. You can also use the fine teeth comb. So make sure that there are no knots whatsoever. So we're doing this in dry, okay? So now that we've had it without knots, okay? To test and make sure that it doesn't have any knots, try to use your fingers and do like this. Okay, if you feel any tension, take the comb again and just brush it through. Okay, so now we're ready to put it in a ponytail. Okay, so let's flip our hair to the front and use your brush to do this to help you. Make sure that it's smooth and even. But I like to do it underneath a little bit more to make sure. Again, pull it as much as you can. Make that nice and tight. Okay, make sure it's smooth. Comb it out a little bit. So I want to take out this much. We're just going to cut straight across. Okay, so we can have a now we're just gonna make sure to do the point cut, remember, at an angle. Let's see, let's take out this for now. And let's see the layering. Okay, so if you're happy with the length, then you can leave it. If not, you can do a little bit more. It's up to your taste. Okay, so make sure that it's even. Okay, the back. Let's see, what does the back look like? And there you have it. A do-it-yourself haircut for wavy hair.